Remove the 3 screws fixing the rear cover and remove the rear cover. Remove 1 set of screws and remove the top cover of the drive box. Separate all plugins on the switching power supply. Remove the 4 fixing screws and remove the switching power supply. To install the switching power supply, install 4 fixing screws. Connect all plugins on the switching power supply. Install the upper cover of the drive box and 1 set of screws. Install back cover and 3 fixing screws.